April 14th, 2018. And here we are. 2-foot drift right in front of the door. It's slightly coming down outside. We've gotten at least 8 inches so far. We're supposed to get another 8 inches. About 16 inches with this snow, or storm. 16 inches of snow with this storm. We've already had 11 inches. I think it was on April 3rd and 4th or something like that. So, this is going to be the snowiest April ever recorded in 150 years and the coldest April. We've been below average 37 out of the last 44 days and 20 degrees below average the whole month of April, every single day. 25 degrees some days. The average high is 60. We're 30. In fact, we're less than 30 right now. Yeah, that drift right there looks to be about 2.5 feet. And we got another 10 inches coming. It's just crazy. I'd like to move. Take me to Hawaii. Here we are. Took me an hour and 15 minutes to get this done. Couldn't even do the whole driveway. She's deep, man. I don't know if that's a foot deep. A foot deep. A foot deep. I didn't think we had that much already. We're supposed to get 10 to 12 or 8 to 12 or whatever, but we're going to get a whole lot more than that. I'm thinking 15 to 18. Yeah, there's no mail, there's no plows, there's no cars. We usually get 600 cars a day down this street. Not today. I see about 2 tire tracks. Nobody's moving. Here we are, April 20th, 2018, 6 days after the blizzard with 18 inches. As you can see, there's not much left. Down at the end there, that was about 2.5, 3 feet because I had a snowblower threw it over there. But I just didn't have enough power to clear out everything because it was too deep. Yeah, this whole third stall here is about 12 feet of snow on this side, all the way to 12 feet wide, 2 feet deep, all the way down, just about gone. If you look out back, now it's starting to get some bare ground. Still pretty deep. That's a good 4 feet. Some of those stumps left from that tree I cut down. But it's very deep there still. Oh, that's some good snowball snow. Oof. Awesome stuff. Yeah, you couldn't see any grass anywhere, even 2-3 days ago. I guess we've only got they claim 4 inches left, or 3 inches left on the ground out at the airport. Of course, we got 4 feet here. This won't be gone till May, at least. So there you go. Record snowfall. Record cold. Record everything. Everything's been a record this year. Here we are, April 22nd, 2018. The driveway is clear. This is what's left after our 22 inches of snow a week ago. And it didn't get warm until just about, well, 2 days ago, 3 days ago tops. We were in the low 30s for the first three to 4 days. But they said the sun is so strong, it's the same as the middle of August. So that's what melted it. Pretty much all gone. Everything's off the driveway. Out of the yard here, down at the end. I had a 4-foot pile down at the end there. That's gone.